Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your billing information on Squarespace. If you've gotten a new credit card, need to change your billing address, or just want to make sure your payments go through smoothly every month, this quick walkthrough will make the process a breeze. By the end, you'll confidently know how to keep your payment details up to date, so your site stays online without any billing hiccups. Let's dive straight in. First things first, open up your web browser and head straight to Squarespace. Just type squarespace.com in your address bar and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the correct account for the website you want to update, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you're inside your Squarespace dashboard, look down toward the lower left of your screen. Here, you'll see a little gear icon. This icon is kind of like the universal symbol for settings, not just on Squarespace, but everywhere online. So whenever you want to change something about how your site operates, that's usually the button to look for. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and that will open the settings window for your site. If you ever get lost or aren't sure what a button does, don't worry. The settings menu is organized to keep everything you need close by. Next, inside those settings, look for the billing option. It might take a second to find, as there are a few different account features listed here, but billing is what we want. Give it a click. Now, within the billing section, you'll see a few choices related to payments, invoices, and subscriptions, but the one you're after is called Payment Information. This is where you update your credit card details, swap payment methods, or check what you currently have on file. Click into Payment Information, and you'll be in the spot where all the magic happens. Take a moment here and carefully enter your new billing details. This includes your name exactly as it appears on your card number, expiration date, security code, and any address required by your bank. If you're changing the billing address, make sure it matches what your card issuer has on file. Little details like a mismatched postal code can sometimes cause payment failures later on, and none of us want our website accidentally going offline. If you're typing in a new payment method, say switching from one card to another, double-check those digits before moving on. Don't worry if this part feels a little slow. It's always better to be accurate than to rush through, especially with billing info. Once you've put in all your details, you'll see an Add Payment Method button. Click this. This step essentially saves your new information on Squarespace's servers, so future renewals or purchases are charged to the right account. If the site prompts you to confirm or verify, follow those instructions. Sometimes it's just a quick save or confirmation click. And believe it or not, that's it. The update is complete. Squarespace will now use your latest payment method for any upcoming charges, which means you can focus on your site and let the platform take care of the rest. If you ever want to check or change these details again, just repeat these same steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like. If there's anything you're still unsure about, drop your questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help you out. And for more step-by-step Squarespace guides and website tips, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.